Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the transfer won't fail. Make sure the camera battery is at least 50% and either enable the camera's Wi-Fi or plug in a USB cable. Install the Maker's Transfer app or a reputable photo transfer app on your phone. This simplifies file handling. Once done, set the camera to transfer or mass storage mode and power it on. You're doing this to let the phone recognize the camera as a source, which speeds discovery and prevents corrupt files. Now you initiate the actual transfer. Open the app or phone's file manager and accept any prompts to access the camera. If using USB, choose File Transfer. Select the folders or specific images you want to move. Decide between RAW and JPEG because RAW files are larger. Set the destination folder on your phone or cloud. Tap Transfer and monitor progress. Keep both devices active and avoid interrupting the connection. This ensures files copy intact and reduces the chance of incomplete transfers. Finish by verifying everything copied correctly. Open a few images to check quality and confirm file sizes. Once satisfied, safely eject the camera or unmount the SD card to avoid corruption, then delete only confirmed duplicates on the camera to free space. If something goes wrong, try a fresh cable or an SD card adapter. Sometimes enabling airplane mode removes interference for Wi-Fi transfers. Finally, back up the photos to cloud or computer and organize them with folders or tags for easy retrieval later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.